So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Roomba 500, 600, 700, and 800, and 900 series. This is my 500 series, my 530. Looks pretty clean, but it has a lot of dirt. First, what we always do is take out the bin. I like to tap it really hard. Look at all of that, looks clean. So I got my vacuum, my Dyson V15 extra. So vacuum. So take out these brushes, take off the cage. So these brushes, they look clean, but they do have some hair. I cleaned it earlier, but you can get as much as hair as you can. You can also vacuum it. Get some of the dust out. Well, I recommend getting cleaning tools because, like, the blades, they can help you get through that little tangle thing. You can just put like this right through it and then get all of the hair. It's so easy. So I got a little bit of hair. This is what I did in the last video. The 650. Pop out the wheel. Yeah, 4 screws. The only complaint on this one is the battery, it's a little loose. But the dock is really yellow. In this 500 series they have, the white ones they have, the yellow docks. So our iRobot battery, let's put that aside. So let's take the vacuum and just vacuum it. Wipe it, wipe all sensors, get it nice and clean, and get a good looking Roomba. So what I would also recommend is to get the cleaning head module out, because there is lots of hair you can get in there. I never took this cleaning head module out. Lift it off. This is really simple. Then you can just wipe it, get it nice and clean. And get that little sensor there. So you can see that it has the motor. It's not that dirty, so just put it back in. Make sure this rubber thing won't get stuck, because sometimes it can get stuck. So next what you're gonna do is unscrew the wheels. So I like to get every single part because sensors, they can get them nice and clean. So now take her off. Let's get that connector good. Let's get this whole wheel good. So that one's good. Screw it back in. Now we have 3 screws here. So it's just the same. Grab it out, and it's a little dirtier than I expected it to be. You can see like in these corners there's some hair and stuff. Just clean it. Now when you're done, put this stuff in. Yep. The people that we bought this from, they said they haven't like used it in a while, so they needed a new battery. Just have to change the battery in this, and it works great. And the side brochure was used the 6 leg, but it broke, so I have to change that into a 3. We're gonna open. It's a little tricky. Get it out. You can just get it out. Get some of the hairs. Whoa. Oh. So. Okay. Just I can't reach where those areas are. The brush is back in, connect that in. So this is what you have to look out for. This suction squeegee, it can get really dirty. So I like to like that. Get this. Put it in. Now let's give it final wipe. Boom. So that's how you clean the parts in it. Thank you for watching. Bye.